In this video, I'm going to share some tips on posting your own content on LinkedIn. If you've watched my previous videos, you should have your LinkedIn profile optimised and hopefully started to make some connections and share other people's content by now. So the next step is to start posting your own content. This can be as simple as just a status update, a sentence or two telling people what you're up to or working on, or even a question. Questions can work really well as it makes it easy for people to respond. And when you get comments or posts, LinkedIn knows that your posts are well received and bumps them up in the feed. You need to make sure you're thinking of your ideal customer avatar when you're posting anything on LinkedIn. Ask yourself whether your post is likely to interest or resonate with them before you send it. This will guide everything you do. Some other suggestions for short posts are to tell your network something about a project you've recently completed for a client, or the result a client's experienced after working with you. I wouldn't suggest bragging too often or just telling people about your work, but as long as you mix things up, it's important to let people know about what you do and the results people can expect to see if they work with you. It's also worth stating exactly what service or product you offer every so often so people know you're available for these services. It's really important to post other types of text posts that will either help or entertain people too. You could tell a story which people are likely to relate to or at least find interesting. You could talk about why you got into your industry or why you felt driven to do what you do. By turning this type of information into a story and including some kind of journey from one situation to another and some kind of conflict or challenge along the way, it's more likely to appeal to people. Try to capture people's attention in the first few words so they want to read on and remember there has to be something in it for them. People usually want to learn something or be entertained. If I see an intriguing statement like why I stopped using Instagram or something like this, I can't resist reading on to find out why. It doesn't have to be a full article which use these clickbait type headlines to grab people's attention. They work for social posts too. After you've got into the swing of posting these short to medium text posts on LinkedIn, it's worth considering writing a full article or blog, which you can post natively on LinkedIn. These take more time, so are something you're unlikely to do very often, but they have longevity as will be found by people through searches on LinkedIn and Google in months to come. I also post short videos on LinkedIn occasionally, which are typically about a minute long, and these have had more engagement than any of the other types of content I've posted. So I'd recommend you try these too. But we'll cover them in another video sometime soon. I'd love to hear how you've got on posting your own content to LinkedIn, and any questions you have, please post below with your LinkedIn URL. On my next video, I'm going to cover engagement, which is incredibly important and really makes a difference to how your own posts perform too. So please subscribe and turn on notifications so you get an alert when I post my next video. Thanks for watching.